Good morning. Welcome to Department of Youth Welfare, Cochin University of Science and Technology. In this short video, I would like to explain what are the important functions of Department of Youth Welfare. I know most of you don't know about the Department of Youth Welfare. You can't find such an institution at your school level or college level as part of your education. This is a system existing in the universities all over the country as well as all over the world. For last few decades, we are discussing about what would be the purpose of education. There are many answers for this question. That some people may argue that the education may be to increase the workforce or social or academic, cultural, intellectual development, to search for the truth or to improve the human condition. But the Department of Youth Welfare, here we believe that the purpose of education is to transforming the world for a better human future for all. The Department of Youth Welfare in Cochin University of Science and Technology is an official platform for the educational, social and cultural empowerment of the students. We are working basically on 4 C's: competence, confidence, creativity and compassion. The major work we are doing is broadly classified into many areas: environment and sustainable development, skill development programs, research and academic activities, arts and literature, culture and heritage, extension and outreach activities, and students' supportive system. The major programs we are organizing, one of the flagship program of the department is Monsoon Madness. Every year we are organizing a program that comes under the sustainability and environmental concern.
Hello everyone, this is Pisna here, 4th year law student at School of Legal Studies, CUSAT. So I can anticipate the amount of excitement that you all might be carrying. New college, new friends, new environment, and absolutely everything would be new to you. But I promise you that you won't regret joining this university at any point of time. Well, I trace back the last 4 years' memories that I have in this university. I definitely would have to mention Department of Youth Welfare. This is the place that has helped in creating a sense of values within me, a social life for me. It conducts various activities and epitomizes the academic excellence in us at all points of time. While I trace my favorite memory in this particular department, I definitely would have to mention the Monsoon Madness camp. This is a camp for selected 40 students of the university. This is a 4-day camp which aims at providing us an opportunity to immerse ourselves into the lap of nature. 40 of us, literally 40 of us, smelled the fresh air out of the city glimpse in a rural area of Ochamarapara in Vagaman. We trekked, we immersed ourselves in the water, we had all sort of fun. At the same time, we learned a lot of new things. And I can definitely say that 40 of us who went there came as a different individual. We had developed a better understanding, we had teamwork, we have coordination, we had all sorts of values that a person should carry. Of all, we learned how to be a leader, how to develop a leader within us. I can definitely guarantee that upon coming here, you should definitely try going for this sort of camps and learn new things. Of all the best. This is going to be a great journey for you guys.
Then the other programs are based on the skill development. We are organizing photography camps, we are organizing theatre camps, music workshops, many programs we are organizing every year. As part of the skill development, we have organized certain computer-based programs like Word Camp, then soft skill development programs, and so many programs related to video editing softwares. We have organized these programs. Another important program we have organized is the Model United Nations. You can see certain photographs of the program here. Another important program we are organizing under the skill development scheme is known as the Green Room. Green Room is actually a program we are designing for improving the personality skills, improving the communication skills of the students. Then we have organized some literary and writers workshops. Then another major program we are organizing is known as Back to Village. It is a program people are visiting to a village, a remote village, especially in the Kerala-Tamil Nadu border, and staying there for 3 days and learning how the village people lives, how their agriculture, how their habitat are going on. All these programs. In the field of arts and culture, we are dealing with mainly 3 areas: South Zone Inter-University Youth Festival, National Inter-University Youth Festival, and International Youth Festivals. Cochin University of Science and Technology is participating in all festivals for last 10 years, and we are getting so many prizes in the areas of dance, theatre, music, fine arts, and literary events. Of course, there are some academic benefits for attending this program. You are getting grace marks. Details are given of grace marks here. Then another important thing we have organized last year, we have started from the last year onwards, is understanding the heritage of the country. We have started a program on studying in the Muziris, one of the heritage place, most prominent heritage place in the country.
Hey, hello everyone, welcome to KISAT. So you all must be perplexed, confused, and of course uncomfortable with the new kind of normal virtual receiving that you people are getting right now. Of course, destroying and collapsing every single dream of yours entering into a brand new college. But I'm here to tell you that better days are coming. And you people will be able to explore the virtual beauty of KISAT life with this utmost goodness. And I'm Ossia Varkis, 4th year BBLLB student, Cochin University of Science and Technology, School of Legal Studies. I was able to participate in one of the numerous colorful and energetic programs organized by the Department of Youth Welfare. That was the Muziris trip, and it was a joint organization conducted by the Muziris Heritage Project and the Department of Youth Welfare. It comprised of visiting more than 6 places of archaeological as well as historical importance. And another important aspect of such trips are the social community relationships that we generate. So KISAT life will be amazing and will be beautiful after finding new relationship, new people, and connecting with them about what happiness really is. So by going through these kind of programs, we will be able to understand different students, and as it is a collective effort done by different students of departments, and such an inculcation of students are happening here, and of course that will help you to develop your social skills to the maximum extent, and it will for sure help to make your KISAT life memorable and beautiful. Let me conclude by wishing you all guys the very best for the academic year coming, and let all happiness cherish you throughout your KISAT life. Thank you.
Then as part of the academic activities, we are organizing science lecture programs, popular science lecture programs every year. You can see some photographs of the popular science lecture programs here. Then for the smooth functioning of all these activities, we have so many student organs like the music club, nature club, science club, debate club, robotic club, theatre club. We have many organizations working under the Department of Youth Welfare. Then we have a very strong student advocacy system. It is working here. We identified our campus as a zero tolerant to ragging campus. So we are taking all the measures with respect to ragging. Here you can see some numbers. In case if any ragging you are noticing, you can report to these people. Then for improving the students' mental health, we have a mind behavioral studio, a non-mind behavioral studio with the professional counselors are working in this campus. That we call it as the mind behavioral studio, working every day from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. all over the week. Then, so these are the major functions Department of Youth Welfare is organizing every year. As I told you earlier, the basic purpose of the department is to make you better human beings. You can get higher marks, you can you can get a good jobs, but to be a better human being, few more qualities. To live in the 21st century, you need more qualities. To attain all these qualities, we are helping you. So this department is a student support system, basically concentrating in academic activities, environment and sustainable development activities, then skill development activities, academic programs, as well as the student support system. So the office of the department is working in the Student Amenity Center, Cochin University of Science and Technology. You please come to the Student Amenity Center and you can discuss anytime about the programs. You can join with our programs at any time. The entire programs of the department is given in our website. Please log on in it, www.welfarekusat.in. I welcome all of you once again to the Cochin University of Science and Technology. Thank you.